Okay, good morning, children. Today I am going to teach class 8D. It so happened, chapter 4, The Treasure Within. You have written all these word meanings earlier, so we will just switch on to the chapter. Okay, page 26. Now tell us something about your earliest memories in the school. Now Bela Raja is asking him that tell us about the earliest memories in the school. Now Hafiz contractor, the first and the second year I was a good student. After I reached the third standard, I simply lost interest and I never studied. Now he's telling in class 1 and 2 he was studying very well, but when he went to the third standard he simply lost interest and I never studied. I used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. Now he used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. Now I would copy in class during exam times, and he is telling that he would copy in class in during exam times. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and studied it. Now he used to get anyhow the question paper and he studied only whatever it was in the question paper, and then he used to give the exam. As I could not remember things that had been taught to me in the class. Now he was very poor in his memories, so he could not recall his things as it was taught in the class. However, later one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. Now, however, later one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. He is telling one sentence told by the principal sir changed him totally. When I approached my 11th standard, the principal called me and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you from day one." Now he told him that, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student, but you never studied. Now you are a very good student, but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today." Now he's telling, the principal is telling, "I have taken care of you till today, and from the beginning of your class, now I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself." Now he's telling that now I cannot take care of you, now you can do it yourself. As he was now in 11th standard, he could think of his own good, so his principals told that I would not like to take care of you anymore. Now he talked to me for 5 minutes. You don't He talked to me for 5 minutes. Now he talked to me for 5 minutes. You don't have your father, your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years, but you have only played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. Now he told him that your mother, you have lost your father and your mother have taken all the strain to pay the school fees till now, and you had never studied, only played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. I used to be a very good sportsman. Now he is telling that he used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years, and I also was the cricket captain. Now he is telling he was the senior player and he also was the champion for many years, and I also was a cricket captain. I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. Now, when the principal sir told him that you are wasting your time and you are just playing and playing, your mother is working so hard to pay your school fees. Now, he was a very good player. He was a champion always, and he was also the cricket captain. Now, on that year, he never. I used to play every game. Now, on that year, he realized that I used to play every game, but that year I did not step onto the field. Now, in that year, he did not step onto the field. I would go for prayers, and all I would do was eat and study. Now he's telling he would go for prayers, and all I would do was eat and study. I normally used to copy and pass. Now he's telling he used to go for prayer, and all I would do was eat and study. Now his life changed and he started studying. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do that. Now later on he realized that once he was in SSC, he could not do that. When I got a second class 50% in my SSC, my principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction." This is my memory of my school days. Now he is telling that then after studying hard he got 50%, and the principal told him that imagine yourself that you have got distinction. This is my school of my this is my memory of my school days. Now I did lot of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forgot things very easily. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph. Alright, so he did many other things. As for my things concerned, I never remember, and he did lots of things, he never remembered it. I forgot things very easily. He always forgot everything. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph, and to remember things, he has to see things as a photograph. Up till here only.